Hello, my fellow musicians. My name is Tom from Tom's Music Shop, and today I want to talk about the Hohner Corona 3, and this particular one being made in China. So, the backstory is this. Hohner started in Trossingen, Germany, many years ago, I think in the 1930s or 40s, and in the 1990s, Hohner moved its production facilities for the most part to China. So everything in the Corona line, from the Corona 2 down, was moved to China. The Corona 3 as well. I don't know if they make any Coronas here in Germany anymore. Most of them with the plastic keyboards have been made in China since the 1990s. Some were still made with the plastic keyboard in Germany in the early 90s, and I believe it was the late 1990s that they moved everything to China. Only the very expensive accordions, I'm told, are still made in Germany.
Please be sure to like and subscribe.
But what is the difference? It still has, to my estimation, the same housing. It still has the same buttons, the same gold signature here. In olden days, they had a two-tone signature with gold and black, or with gold and red, but that was already a long time ago. That was much before the move to China. We have, of course, these more rounded off buttons, and we have the plastic keyboard here. That is something different, but I don't think that has anything to do with the move or with becoming cheaper. The plastic keyboard is because, in my opinion, the wooden keyboards, they stretch out over time. The more that they have to deal with different dampness in the air and different humidity changing over time, eventually the wood would spread out so much that the buttons would get stuck. That's something that I have to do with some of the Corona classics, is unstick the buttons. With these plastic ones, they don't move, so you don't have to worry about it. So tell me in the comment section below, what is your favorite type? The plastic keyboard because the buttons don't get stuck, or the wooden keyboard for tradition? Or why do you like the wooden keyboard? Question number 2, what do you prefer? A German-made Corona or a Chinese-made one? Now, I was really surprised to see this. It says made in China there. I have never seen that before. Normally it would say made in Germany, and if it was made in China, they just don't write anything. Okay? This is the first time, must have just been a short series that was made where they actually wrote made in China. Maybe they did that just in the beginning. But let's test it out and see how it sounds. The factory may be in China, but it's run by Germans, and they have their standards. They probably have robots automated to do the cutting and everything. And as far as assembly goes, sure, that's going to be by Chinese. But think about this. The Chinese also put together the iPhone, the nicest phone that you can buy. Okay, so that's it. This is the Corona 3 made in China. plastic keyboard, very beautiful condition. I'm putting this up for sale soon. If you have any questions, write into the comment section below. And also, if you, it would be nice to hear your opinion. What do you prefer, the Chinese ones, the German ones, and why? Please make sure to like and to subscribe and write into the comment section below. My goal is to get at least 100 subscribers so I can change my channel name to Tom's Music Shop. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.